I'm a.
Got his shit in for the day.
No, I gotta score another on this night.
Especially after they're down, bro. I'm going in the car.
Hand? What? Yeah. We can take like high corners. We can take like high balls on corners. It doesn't have to be like curling in.
Yeah.
Jacob, what are you saying? Are you working or school?
Just working.
Yeah, where are you working?
Well, just modeling. Stuff.
Premium.
You're a model?
Yeah, bro.
Yo, you think I can make it?
Yo,
What's that? Oh my.
yeah. I wanted to.
Nah, bro, I don't got the height for it.
Yeah, I was gonna say that, but it's really the only thing.
Yeah, Lucas. Yeah, take him.
So what kind of age did you get like an agent, Jacob? You got an agent?
Yeah, like.
See what? Lucas, tell me what? Lucas!
Oh wait, it's 19.
Right.
Like I think it's like 60.
How much do you make
It depends, bro.
on the shoot? Yeah.
It's going on YouTube. Yeah, it depends on like the brand and like, the shoot.
Is it consistent
And
though?
then like also who you are.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, it depends. Like it's like off and on. Or like I might work. Like,
Yeah.
full week, like long hours, but then I might have like 2 days.
This guy said long hours taking pictures.
Oh, nah, it's probably like
Yeah.
tiring as fuck.
Well,
Well, especially if you get like someone who's like micromanaging you and who's on your shit all the time too.
All the expressions and shit.
They're not
Nah,
like
that's
that. They're chill.
Maybe you just haven't worked for that guy yet. He's around the corner.
Okay, that's maybe like fashion shows, like runways and shit. Yeah, I don't really do that.
They got like Kanye West on your ass.
Hey, White, got a sub? White.
Yeah.
What happened?
Middle.
What happened?
Yeah. Where is it?
Evan.
Go to
middle.
Field over here. No, he can't. You gotta come in at center.
Shut up. Oh my god, this ref's such a hard head. What happened? You injured? Bro, future generation. Take a minute, bro.
I didn't see it. I should sub. This guy needs ice. What did you say after?
Hmm?
What did you say?
No, like it was just like the keeper drop kicked it, and I got to the guy before. I wanted to like use my thigh, bro, but I can't.
No way. From the
Oh,
keeper
got
drop
it.
kick?
Got it.
That's tough.
Get it. Absolutely a drop kick to the nuts, bro. Throw the ball.
Yeah, it's so slippery.
Like, bro, I complain at grass, and then like next week it's turf. I don't complain anymore.
Nah, just the rain makes it.
Yeah, it makes it like, bro. Like, bro, I would have rather it rain than grass.
Yeah.
I don't know, bro. I still feel like I'm getting like that.
Oh, turn Jones. Oh my.
Get on that, Daniel!
Step up.
Don't let him shoot. Nice.
Yeah. It's like they're over. And like God. Boot it.
Oh. Nice. Nice. See him. Make a run.
Go.
Nice, man. Go.
Shoot
Shoot it.
Chip it.
Oh.
Shoot it.
Shoot. Oh, he keeps scoring, trying to.
Oh, you got time. Hold it. Nice. That hold up play.
Go, guys!
Sorry.
I need a sub!
I got you, bro.
Oh, just let it fly.
It's on his left foot though.
Slip it right past Tim there.
Nice.
Nice. Put it in the air. Boom!
Oh, we gotta win the air once, man. Oh, let it fly.
Sub! Yeah! Sub! Set! Someone, bro. You gotta go four there.
I'm going 45 on, 45 off. Staying up.
You're still not cold?
Yeah. Bro, once I'm like cooled down.
Yeah.
I'm just going to obviously get on, but I'm so freezing.
Yeah. So I don't want to sit down.
That pressure.
They're very nice.
Yo, but then that guy like literally had a devious smile chasing after Jonas. I don't know. I was looking at him, I was like, oh shit. Man, that's a devious smile.
Nice. Ooh.
Clever move. Bro, I hate this bullshit rain, man.
It's on and off, bro. It's so annoying.
It's over his
Go.
head.
It's over his head. See wing. Oh.
So go.
That's you, that.
You good?
Like, at least, bro, it wasn't like a full straight on hit, but it was just like
Yeah.
kind of winded for a sec.
Yeah.
Shoot that!
Oh. We gotta be more away.
Actually, no. The one on.
Oh, gotta press harder than that. Don't jump into it.
Get back, Daniel.
Get back. Yeah. Nice. Oh yeah.
See Jonas.
Hand? What? Down the wing, go down the wing!
Yeah, keep that in.
Oh.
Goon.
Yes, Danny.
Kick on it at least.
It's ours, it's ours.
See him quick, see him quick.
Nice. Nice.
Yes, Simon.
Nice, Zach. He's been on for 10 minutes. Yeah, it's been like 12 minutes.
I got a touch on that. Good try.
Oh no. Yo. Stop signing.
I'm stopping.
You hold it.
Put the ulcers.
Oh yeah, with this all.
Also.
Sub!
Yeah, ref sub.
Simon!
Jonas. You can sub me right after.
Yeah, Liam. Sub.
Good work.
Oh, my sweater's soaked. That's outrageous. You see that? The nicest slide I've ever seen. She called it a foul.
I think I'll take Ahmed or Dom off next.
Sounds good. I'll take with the other one. Let's hope both of them.
You're like camera striker.
Well, you go wing, I'll go striker.
Nice, Jacob.
Nice. And Liam, you take Aiden each time. Yeah. Right back.
I think I might switch Jacob over to the right side if he wants to.
Yeah, no problem. Nice. Ah.
Nice ball.
The video's on 17. All played, so like.
Probably half hour left.
Yeah, half hour.
Oh, okay. Like 17 minutes is gone, 67 halves.
Yeah.
Probably sucks. These guys are getting tired.
I think we subbed at 14. Yeah, I see the clock here, so. About 10 minutes. Nice. Look at Ahmed! Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah.
Beat the defender. Keeper.
All day.
These guys are so fucking small. So
Yeah, time! Oh, wait. Oh. Turn!
Man on, Sam. You just sprinted these guys.
They're not fast. They're not fast.
Even when it was 50-50 ball, and like not even 50-50, like they're gonna get it most likely. You just sprinted them.
Yeah.
I just noticed. Just being aggressive. Or
Not just him.
yeah, I just noticed they just start to like.
Yeah, you go 110 and
you
they'll
know.
back out. Yeah.
Has to go super. I don't know. More rushes, I
Yeah,
guess.
I think you can tell we want it more. These guys are.
Good effort.
That was a great run, dude.
Are you dead now?
Sorry?
You dead
Yes,
now?
sir.
No, I'll be okay in 5.
That was a sprint now.
Yeah. Fucking, should I have shot that or was the pass the right move?
No, the pass was
The
on
pass was good.
for sure.
Solid pass. He was right there, the defender not there.
Yeah, nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Think how much time is left?
25 minutes.
Left or?
Left, yeah.
Oh, nice. Okay.
I like this time way better. 6 o'clock is so nice.
Yeah, yeah. Wait till it's blazing hot out though. Subbing every 2 minutes. Yeah.
That's my bad, Jacob. I thought you were closer.
I'm excited to get. Nice, Jacob.
Jacob, here, Jacob.
All five, Zach.
Oh.
Oh no.
Oh, come on.
Jacob.
Get up!
Bro. It's fucking put that on the highlights. He's fine there. That was way too long.
Nice.
Ball.
Yo, Liam, let's go. You're up.
I'll take him up, maybe. Yeah.
Who am I thinking of?
You go a bit later.
Jacob? Yes, sub? Take him on? Or are you taking him?
I'm gonna take. Are we on right now?
Both of you, if you are.
Next one.
No, he needs off now.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll go.
All right, Aiden.
Okay. I got squared.
Grab him. Hey, grab him. Got me, man. Middle.
Jacob, you good?
Grab him and jump on the back of your heels. You'll go away in 30 seconds. Grab him, jump on the back of your heels and go away in 30 seconds.
Can we sub?
Go. Stop.
Yeah, same. No. Literally the exact same thing that just happened to Evan. The ball hit my nuts. Oh. How does that happen? Evan literally just hit his nuts. No. Hey!
I know.
Soft. Oh. It's like, oh, last game they didn't call shit.
Now it's everything.
I said last game was straight old man.
It was.
Bro, shit, old men fouling and talking shit.
Like every
We're
2
back in the
seconds
glory
they were.
days.
Yeah, every 2 seconds they were calling us pussies.
Yeah!
Hey!
As soon as I sub off. Is it?
That was D again? No way.
Riley! Fuck. Could have been me,
Hi.
bro.
Jacob, how are your nuts feel?
Get off of me. They just scored. That's going on YouTube. Ooh, that's bad, bro. Stand on the top of your heels and hold them.
Hey, you want me to massage them?
Glory game for me. Yes. Yes. Shoot it. Oh.
You're good.
This guy, the goalie. Oh my shit!
Isaac! Woo! Isaac! Nice, Liam. Go, go, go.
Gotta put really with it.
Yeah, if I get back on and I get close to the goalie, I'll be like, calm down, you Timbit.
Bro, why didn't you shoot it right there, bro?
I did, bro. I just was off balanced, man.
Let it fly, bro. No, this, you had the hold-up play over there.
Oh, yeah. I don't know.
Oh. Fuck. Nice run, nice
Isaac,
run.
man on, Isaac. Isaac, touch here. Isaac, you got me. Man on. Look in.
Hold.
Man on. Sam, you gotta drop.
Yeah, Daniel, nice.
Yeah, move, move.
Oh.
Back here. Go, go, go. You believe it.
How they get going? How much time is left?
Ah, bro.
Nice, Zach.
What?
do you
How the
think?
fuck do we know?
Yeah. I don't know.
We don't
What time
know.
did we start? What time is it right now?
8 or 6 is when it started. The stoppages though, but
Yeah, I guess.
yes, go Jonas. No. What? We need subs out there.
Yeah.
Dude, look at who's moving right now. One first.
I'm actually trying to play up with you.
Yes!
Yes!
Yo! It's such a big view so far. Nice ball! Bro, those balls. No!
Dude!
What? Joe. No way! Jonas! Terrible call. That was such a nice ball, Sam!
Dude, it's this
Bro, that was
goddamn
not
feet.
full
No, we're, I know.
I'm actually like shocked.
That one wasn't close.
Yeah, it was so far.
The one I was like, okay, I could see how she got that.
Hey, Nan!
Jeez!
Good call, ref.
That's not offside, that's not off. Kick it! Slide tackle him. I don't forgive him for kicking the ball.
Nice ball, Sam.
Yo, number 18. Shoot it! Go deep! Oh, one more.
Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Oh.
Yo! Number 18. Dirty trick to get me out of the play, eh? Hey, number 18. Dirty trick to get me out of the play.
What did I do?
Kicked it out my nuts, bro.
Bro, that was a fucking
Drop my stomach, bro. Shoot it!
Oh!
That was actually offside. I swear to God, like that one was. The other ones were. I'm just playing. Almost distracted them for the
Yeah, I know.
goal, though. Yo, are we subbing after this?
Yeah.
I'm saying, bro, I might have to get it one more time here, get the lights going.
Go easy on our nuts.
Really? Bro, literally, and even that guy. Wow. Where's the passion? Ah, bro. My fucking
Still hurts?
Yes, bro. It's literally.
Here, let me
My
caress
right
them for
nut.
you. Here. Here.
No,
Give
bro.
me-
Get the hell out of here.
XXX videos right here.
Bro, I'm literally the little person like ran into my.
That's it.
Bro, we're gonna get censored on
Mm-mm.
YouTube.
Something on
Are you calling for something?
What, you guys want a sub?
It's not in our bowl.
Oh yeah, never mind.
Yeah.
Thought it was ours.
It's our bowl. It would have to be southern.
Not really, dude. Last game.
not really.
Yeah, no, last
They
game.
were.
No, last game. Do you know how many subs they took on ours?
Yeah, they were.
Yeah.
pressing us, yeah. They didn't give a fuck. And the ref didn't do
Yeah.
shit. Like, he had no
Dude.
control over the game.
Yeah,
That's what
dude,
I'm
the ref
saying.
was straight out of Somalia.
Like, it's
Could barely
better
speak
that-
English.
It's kind
Like-
of in a way better that they make more calls because it's like, bro, if you're not in control of the game, it's like, bro, they're really like.
Nah, Evan said it was tippy as fuck.
Say like I was signing, they were like coming behind you and Chip would be like right there, like literally like.
Bro, the
like,
bar.
push him.
Dude, I was up there at the net and the ball was already going out. Like the ball was out.
Keep steady,
Yeah,
bro.
I am.
Goal.
The ball was out, and then I get
Oh, yeah.
slide tackled when the ball was out of
One
play.
more. Oh, how about it?
Oh.
Yeah, bro, we need some fresh legs in there, bro.
Yeah.
Bro. Keep playing. I want to get in. Really check it out.
Hey.
Oh.
It's out on him. Out on him.
Oh. I know, I'm starting to get cold now. I haven't been out.
Yeah, bro, I actually need to start running.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no.
Bro, the
I've
first
seen
the
you
first
take the
time I
first
sit
step.
down, the first time I sit down, bro, I was like, holy fuck.
Taking the
But
first
then
step.
when I went back out, I was like, okay, like, but Evan said that would happen
Yeah,
too. Like
yeah.
I remember.
Yeah,
And we were playing
normally
like
that-
basketball the other day, bro,
Yeah,
for the
yeah,
first
yeah.
time, and I was like, oh.
Yeah.
Normally it's this guy taking the first shot.
Yeah, dude, because I'm fucking. You see me doing them fucking marathon sprints?
Bro,
Oh.
Own goal. I literally made so many runs, bro. I literally made so many runs. Bro, yo, sub!
Yo, sub white. Yeah,
Yes. Steve, do you want?
Here.
Hey, I'll get in there.